How to clean cast iron. Seasoning a cast iron skillet is necessary to create a non-stick surface and prevent rust. To preserve this seasoning, you need to take special with improve with age and use, becoming a beautiful centerpiece of your cooking and, indeed, your kitchen. Care when cleaning. With proper care, your cast iron skillet. To clean your cast iron, follow these simple directions. 1. Rinse the skillet out with hot water after cooking. 2. Bring the water to boil. If your skillet still needs cleaning, or is cold, you can heat the pan up again. 3. With a wide spatula, lightly scrape the bottom and sides of the pan to dislodge any remaining food scraps. 4. Dump the dirty water in the sink. Return the cast iron skillet to the burner and turn the burner off. 5. Wet a couple paper towels and quickly wipe the surface of the skillet. If done correctly, the bottom of your paper towel should contain a dark layer of residue. 6. Apply a thin coating of fat, such as vegetable oil or shortening, to the surface of the skillet. 7. Store in a cool, dry place and cover with a paper towel instead of a lid to prevent moisture from building up inside the pan.